Morning, our valuable viewer, welcome to this channel. Enjoy the video and please free to hit subscribe
Orange
button.
fruit garnishing.
Thank you.
Ingredients: 1. Orange. 2. Japanese cucumber. 3. Cherry tomato.
Ceramic plate. Cut the orange in half, cut off both ends, and slice crosswise about 2 millimeters thick. Place slice of orange on a circular plate, according to the groove on the plate. Take some slice of orange, arrange to create flour, put it in the middle. Take a cucumber, cut and slice it to make a leaf model. Make a several leaf model. Put it on the side in a circular pattern. Orange fruit garnishing ready to serve on the table. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please leave message and hit subscribe button. Thank you.